Hey, hello guys, it's Capitec Simplified here to solve your computer problems. Now the thing that we're solving today is I'm going to show you a way how to reverse money on your Capitec app right now. Now first of all, open up your Capitec app and let's follow my steps. Now the first thing that we'll do is here open your Capitec mobile banking app. Now from there go to the options listed and from there select the transact. This is very important. After that you simply click on the debit orders, and once you're in the debit orders you need to enter your remote PIN. Now this is very important that it is your own remote PIN. Now from there you select the transaction whose money you want to reverse from your transaction history. Now from there you need to provide a valuable reason for reversing your money towards your bank, and then you accept the terms and condition and you click submit. Now after you submitted your reverse money submission, Capitec app will actually check it out, and from there we'll check if it's a real reverse situation or not. So simply be patient. After that you can try to contact their support, and from there you can reverse a transaction. Now that's all. If you still have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I will try to do my very best to help you. Thanks for watching.